One of the great things about smart TVs today is all the different content that you can watch with all the different apps that are available. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Firestick. After I show you how to get apps on your TV, I will tell you about 4 recommended apps that you might want to check out that'll give you free movies and TV shows. Okay, first thing that you want to do is select the Find button on your home screen. You can do this by pressing the directional pad on your remote control until it's highlighted, and click on the down button on your remote to reveal the menu. Then select Search. Next, type in the name of the app that you want to download, and you have to do this letter by letter using your remote. Use the directional buttons to select either a letter or the select button to enter each letter. Then navigate down and select the app's name. You don't have to type the entire name, you'll see it appear. Next, select the app icon. If you don't see the app that you want to download, you can scroll to the right or scroll down until you find it. Finally, select Download. Here are a few apps that you might want to download. The first app is called Locast. This is great for getting some local TV channels to your TV without paying for cable or using a TV antenna. 3 more free apps to download and check out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. These are all free apps that have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.